hot now. I fucking hope not.
Come on, you shouldn't be.
Yeah.
Så, alles klar.
Ah, så ja. Mitmachen haben dürft, ja.
Ich bin ein difficult, nein?
Ja, ja. Ja, bitte.
Ja, bitte. Das ist meine Junge. Now, Johnny G, what do you think of that?
Just recap what happened.
I don't know, I'm on clipping ropes, I shouldn't be doing anything at the moment.
No, just recap what happened. Just tell me what happened.
I can only show you through mine.
No.
Bing, 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 bing.
Yep, Aiden just fell. He landed there. This is the belay. I am here. Hello. And he just fell from up.
No, get this, get this.
Where you can see that last rope going. Hopefully you
Get
can
this.
see it.
Look.
We got
One piton,
one piton
went
that fell out.
second piton went out.
Second piton is down there somewhere. And how do you feel, Aiden, at this point?
Oh, I feel like one of the Wright brothers.
I don't know why, but I'm not nervous right now. I think I will be
I did let
later
out a scream,
on.
but that was a manly scream.
That was a manly screening, yep. Alright, peace out.